One of my favorite things to do in Google Classroom is to create a document right in the assignment. So I'm going to go into this class. I'm going to go to the classwork page. And I go to create, and I create an assignment. Now from there, you'll notice it says create right down here. And when I click on create, I can create a docs, slides, sheets, drawings, or Google Forms right in the assignment. Now, of course, these are actually created in Google Drive and linked into Google Classroom, but it's really nice because it's going to save in that class drive folder. So when you go back to the classwork page, and I'll show you that in a minute, you're going to be able to find that file really easily. But also, it just makes it really easy to add a directions document. So I go docs, and it's going to launch that up in a new tab if you have it set where you allow pop-ups. I just say directions. I like to make a directions document. And it still says untitled document there, but that's only because it doesn't refresh until I save it. So whatever I do over in this tab, it will be reflected in a minute. And then I like to create slides. Now with the slides, what I'm gonna do is I want this to be collaborative. I want the students to write on it at the same time. I'd rather open up one document than one per student. So I assign one of them, and then I'm gonna name this collaborative activity. All right, and I come back to Google Classroom, and here's the key is I have to change this from students can view the file to students can edit the file. So I select that, okay, and I'm gonna make my assignment and go ahead and assign. All right. Okay, so I'm going to click on the assignment. You can see that I have the directions and the collaborative activity right in there. But up on the classwork page, I have the class drive folder. And when I click on that, I'm going to see those two documents right in there. So they're organized right in the class. So that's a really nice feature. So when I create the documents in the assignment, they're also organized into the class assignment folder in Google Drive.